So there was a question about how to connect these two bodies with the surface tools. And you could try to, of course, loft between them, but with the solid loft, but it would be difficult to make the the profiles make any sense. So let's go to surface, and we want to make them surface bodies, and we do that by just selecting some faces like so and delete those. So now they are open, and as you can see here, they have become surface bodies. So now let's try lofting between here with chain selection activated. So I select all around there and all the way down here. So yeah, this would be the easiest way to just smack them together. And we can refine it a bit by making profile down here, change that from connected to curvature, and lower this tangency a bit until it works. This is the tangents weight, and you can change it with the arrow. So you also, of course, need some space between the pieces to make the loft having some room to work in, like so. And if we try to apply the same up here, I don't think it will work as the surfaces goes in so many different directions. We can try to set this to 0.1. No, still doesn't work. So let's change that back to connected. And okay. So if we then, now we got three surface bodies, so we have to stitch them together to make them one solid again. And let's say I'm satisfied with how this looks, but I don't like how it looks here. It goes kind of, no, I want this to be smoother. So we can work a bit more with this by deleting this surface and try to patch it. Also with chaining enabled here. So if we uncheck this grouped edges, we can select the different continuity for each edge. And here I see on top here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So not these two, but from here to curvature, this one as well, and that one. So you see it becomes a little bit more rounded off there. But yeah, I'm still not fully satisfied with this. So let's undo that. Could try to make it begin over here, I think, somewhere. So let's sketch on this plane and project this line and the corner over here, and draw a line from between there, and use trim. No, not trim. Sorry, split face. Split those two faces with the line as a splitting tool, like so. And then we can also delete those two. So let's try patching again. So now we can try grouping edges and see what's happened what happens if we select curvature. And I think that this looks much better. Maybe a tad less. Something like that. So you really just have to try things out and see what works. But those are some tricks you can do. And of course, stitch it together in the end to one solid. And you can do something similar over here if you don't like how it looks.